Today let's talk about ACM Chemistry's ColorScape EverBold and stain resistance. And we'll use two pavers. One on the left is untreated and the right is treated with ColorScape EverBold. Let's consider what happens when these pavers meet up unexpectedly with a plate of greasy and colorful food. Okay, and since we're feeling thirsty, let's add some red wine and some coffee, maybe some ice cream for dessert. And since we drove to the party, how about adding some used motor oil as well? To take our project into the lab and make it more repeatable and more scientific, we'll be using pre-measured amounts of all our stain-causing substances. And let's start with the ice cream, and we'll move on to the coffee and the red wine. Here's the motor oil and some ketchup. And what hot dog would be complete without some mustard? And you'll notice the bright yellow color that comes from turmeric, a very powerful flavorant and colorant that can in fact stain plastic. And here we are after 24 hours, and you'll notice how the stains on the treated paver are sitting up on the surface, whereas the untreated paver, the stains have clearly penetrated in. We'll try three different techniques today to remove our stains. First, rubbing with a paper towel, then scrubbing with a soft brush and water, followed by detergents, and then the final method will be kitty litter. So we've tried our paper towel. We can't use that on the mustard because the stains have completely crusted over, so we'll use a tool to remove those stains. Let's move on to washing with water and a soft brush. Here we have our untreated paver, which we have wet with cold water, and we'll scrub each stain for the same amount of time to gauge the effectiveness of this technique. Here we have the treated paver. You'll notice the ice cream stain is almost gone even without any scrubbing, and the coffee stain comes off with a minimal amount of effort as well. We'll move quickly through our three different techniques. First, washing with cold water and a soft brush. The treated paver shows significant improvement. If we step up to hot water and detergent, that does help us with our untreated paver. And finally, kitty litter, a tried and true technique to remove stubborn stains. And notice how the ColorScape EverBold paver is almost completely stain-free at this point. When stain resistance matters, ColorScape EverBold, stain resistance and color enrichment from ACM Chemistries.